Ayy, ayy, ayy.
I'm gonna say bond.
Ha, I don't do no talking, bitch, and I don't do the flocking. I'm walking with bosses. Go collect your losses. Ayy, bitch, you in the field for real. Is you on go? Is you on go? Is you gon' kill for real? That pain, is you gon' slang? Cause you cannot hang, ayy. Let's be for real, is you gon' step or not? These niggas at my head, I think they need to go collect the top, ayy. And these niggas really bitches, had to teach them how to use a switch and eat it with his fingers, ayy. Really on a demon time. Niggas know not to waste my time. Niggas know they cannot hit my line. Niggas know that I'm finding a dime. That's why they wanna be mine. That's why your niggas steady trying, ayy. Hey, let's be for real, these bitches ain't gon' steal for real. These niggas ain't gon' steal for real. These bitches ain't gon' steal for real. Had to say that shit 3 times cause these bitches know they not for real. Had to say that shit 2 times cause they know just how it fucking is. Ayy, 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 they watching me. Think they plotting while y'all watching me. What? I think they watching me. I think they stalking me. I think they tryna plot on me. Ayy, I need me a real nigga that's gon' step some. Ayy, I need me a real nigga who gon' step some. Ayy, like Nardo, I need me a wicked witch. I'm tryna be a wicked bitch. I'm all on my wicked shit. Hit a bitch up, think I done split her shit. Ayy, how much her we don't know, but it got fucking hit. Now she won't be missed. That bitch up in a ditch. Had to leave her ass for the dogs because that bitch a bitch. Ayy, ayy.
I don't do no talking, I don't do no talking.
Ayy,
I don't do no fucking, I don't do no flocking.
ayy, ayy,
I'm walking with bosses, I'm walking with bosses.
ayy, ayy.
Collect your losses.